In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can change the size of the markers for your line chart with markers in Excel with ease. To do this, first click on the line, then right click on it. Now you're going to see a menu pop up, and towards the bottom, you're going to see an option for Format Data Series. Click on Format Data Series, and then from here, you're going to click on this little bucket to the left. Click on that bucket where you can format the line as well as the marker. I'm going to click on the marker option like so, and they're going to adjust the width setting right there. The default is 0.75 points, but we can increase the width to make the markers larger, and we can also decrease the width to make them as large or small as we want. So as I said, I hope you found this to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.